It fell under the standing ground law, which don't need to be under standing ground law.
Deidre Niles' son, Daryl Niles, was shot and killed in 2010, just 6 days shy of his 18th birthday. Niles says her son was an innocent bystander shot by a father whose daughter was being threatened by a group of kids who drove past their house firing guns. The young girl's father assumed Daryl was a threat and took action into his own hands.
He was an innocent bystander. He got his life taken by someone that he was trying to help his daughter get home, and the father used not a good judgment. He came out shooting and shot my son in the head.
Niles' son was found dead in his car, and his shooter claimed stand your ground. Now Niles is joining lawmakers in an effort to make a change in the South Carolina law.
What we want to do is put the castle back in the castle, and that is to protect, the homeowners, protect those with their vehicles and their places of business.
Under South Carolina state law, a person can protect themselves in their home, their car, or their place of business. However, Democratic Representative Harold Mitchell is trying to make changes to South Carolina's current law. Mitchell would like to remove your right to use deadly force to defend yourself wherever you are, as long as you are there legally.
It's a recipe for disaster.
Under South Carolina law, you have a right to defend yourself.
Fellow lawmaker and Columbia attorney Todd Rutherford disagrees. He argues the Stand Your Ground law gives you the right to defend yourself.
It's merely a codification or taking what we know to be fact and making it into law. So codification of common sense, codification of law.
Rutherford is the attorney of the teen accused of killing Dutch Fork student Davon Capers. He says his client, 18-year-old Kyrene Dennis, was in his car leaving Cookout in Lexington. That's when Rutherford says Dennis felt threatened. However, Mitchell argues that Stand Your Ground is another form of ammunition for defense attorneys to get criminals off.
We made a mistake, and we have a chance and opportunity to correct it before we see more victims.
I hope the law get appealed and I get justice, if I can have peace.